What if I told you the most powerful AI image generator on the planet doesn't cost a single cent? Flux is dismantling the competition by solving the biggest flaws in AI art, from complex human anatomy to hyper legible typography. We are stripping back the hype to show you why this open source powerhouse is the new gold standard for high-end professional workflows in 2026. Stop paying for Midjourney. The era of the walled garden is over. It's time to pivot. For years, Midjourney was the king, but Midjourney fatigue has set in. Restrictive moderation, monthly fees, and zero local control. Top creators are quitting the subscription model. They want raw realism and uncensored creative control. They want the truth, the secret. Flux isn't just a tool, it's an ecosystem. It handles text better, anatomy better, and it runs locally for free. Most people overthink image generation. You don't need a Discord subscription. You need the Flux model. It handles hyperlegible text that Midjourney still struggles with. Look at the text, look at the hands. This isn't just an improvement. This is a total dismantling of the old dominance. Because Flux is open source, the community is building on top of it every single day. Custom low res, hyperrealism, and zero censorship. This is the new gold standard. High performance imagery for professional workflows, without the professional price tag. The industry is moving away from the walled gardens of monthly subscriptions. The surge of Flux adoption is unprecedented, raw realism, local execution, zero cost. This is how you scale a professional brand in 2026 without the overhead. The window is wide open. While others are still paying for Midjourney, you can be building with the world's most powerful model for free. You don't need a budget to create high-end visuals. You need to know which tools are actually winning the war. Flux is the answer. If you're ready to stop paying for AI and start using the tools that actually matter, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. Have you made the switch to Flux yet? I read every single one. Let's drift.